couldn't find a reliable remote kit. How do you like that one? Oh, there you go, that was spinning. Hold on. Get out of this. I'll do some donuts for you. Come on, Paul, pick up. There it goes. Spinning in second gear, boys. Oh, now we're drifting. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Indeed. A lot of people doing burnouts. I mean, I don't know if I can do a burnout besides the tractor. So, what else am I gonna do, right? I gotta drive the party somehow. We even got rubber in some spots. Woo! Oh, you're right there. Alright, this is actually kind of cool. We don't be that cool on camera, but I don't know. So it's me and Dave, thought I'd get the tractor fired up. A lot of people on YouTube doing these burnout call-outs and stuff. I was never called out, but I still want to do it for fun, so I'm in the tractor right now. And we're just drifting away in the parking lot. Took the tire chains off. Yep, pretty fun. I recorded a part of the video wrong, but I've been doing this for about 4 minutes. I've been having a lot of fun doing this. I mean, I've been needing new tires, but whatever. It's kind of fun. Well, that tire needs to be replaced anyways. Oh, look at that. You're in second gear, the cop's out, 4-8 and doing burnouts. Come on, drip it down. Here we go. Woo! That one's not spinning, but that one is. Look at all the rubber on the ground. Alright, you might be done for now. You got a lot of marks on the ground. Hold on, do one more. Yeah, get rid of Mars. Alright, time to go back. Back to my corner. Almost a snow barrel in an accident. I'm gonna put the tire case back on, and we'll go back and look over there. Hold on, let me go. Here, this is the machine that we used. It was a 1947 Ford 8N. I got the tire chains back on it, as you can see. Well, I mentioned in my last video, rear main seal is leaking pretty bad. Yep, it still leaks pretty bad, and that's okay. But I actually did burnouts pretty dang good. The tires actually are a little bit chewed up, either from the chains or the, you know, like skidding all over the ground. I don't know which it was from, but yeah, we used them, so that's good. And well, the thing started nice, and yeah, as you can see, I still got the tire chains. I got them too tight on accident, so I gotta get that fixed. But other than that, I think I'm gonna go home, probably be done for the night, get this video uploaded, and well, it's so Zip Ties and Bias Supplies did a call out thing, and a bunch of people on YouTube now are doing burnouts and stuff. And well, me being with 101 subscribers, no one's gonna call me out, so I decided, well, I want to do it anyways, and so I did it anyways. And well, this Ford 8N was a candidate because, well, grader, way too heavy and too cool. The crew cab is you know, broken, of course. Parts truck is also broken, and then snowmobiles, too expensive and nice. And that left me with either garden tractors. Oh yeah, and the Cushman has a pop tire. Although, of course, I'm not in a Cushman, but pop tire and a bad rim doesn't quite work too well. And so the Ford tractor was the last thing left, and well, it worked pretty dang good, I will say. But a lot of people after the end of the videos, they have to call out more people. I'm not gonna do any of that because, well, there's no one I know that can call out. And well, I mean, if you're watching this video, I think it'd be cool if I know this is gonna happen, but I think it'd be cool to see Squatch253 to do a burnout in one of his vehicles. I'd be pretty dang cool to see him do that, because you don't watch Squatch253. He takes pretty dang good care of his equipment. I mean, that stuff's really nice, so I doubt he'll do a burnout, and he's probably not watching this video. I know he watches some of mine, but I mean, I'm sure he has better things to do, so. But if you are watching Squatch253, thank you for watching my videos. That means quite a bit to me. You're pretty cool videos you put out yourself, and well, thanks for taking the time to watch some of mine. But Rick Bork, I think he probably wants to do one anyways, or he might do one anyways, unless he doesn't have enough time. But I think it'd be cool to see Rick Bork do one, but I don't know, I'm not really calling anyone out, just saying that it'd be cool if I saw you guys do one, but that's okay. Anyways, I'll probably see you guys later. I gotta go home and warm up a little bit, eat some dinner. I'm a little bit hungry, and probably respond to comments from today's earlier YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed. I mean, let's go walk out here quick. Hope you enjoyed that. That was well, that was the first for me. Usually I don't do burnouts because, well, I have nothing that can do a burnout.
Besides, I mean, the crew cab, it's got 410 gearing and a way too big of a carburetor on it, and it got an intake manifold. And so that thing's got tons of power, especially with the 410 gearing and stock tires. It does burnouts without even trying. I mean, it doesn't take anything at all to do, but the transmission is out on it, so we'll have to wait for maybe a year or so until we get to drive that again. But here are the burnouts from a tractor. Actually pretty cool. We did right here, and then right here I did a big long one. I messed up the video footage, and I don't know, maybe you guys will care to watch it, but we actually got rubber rubber off of it right there. Another burnout, and this all looked nice. Now it's all torn up from burnouts and stuff. Oh, we got some more rubber burnt right there. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go home and warm up my ears a little bit since they're kind of cold right now. Took off my I got a snowmobiling thing. Took that off, so getting a little bit cold out. Oh, and then I gotta show you guys something quick. In the back of the snowmobile, I'll show you a hat one of my viewers gave me. Well, yeah, Jeff Weinstock. Hold on, I gotta get over here. I'm not very fast at walking, by the way, so stay. Here we go. Jeff Weinstock gave me a Caterpillar hat, and thank you very much for that hat. It's pretty cool. It's really warm too, so I usually just wear a neon green hat because I found it for free somewhere. So that's why I wear that one. But now I got a nice hat to wear, and it's a little bit dusty from that stuff, but we'll clean right up. And thank you for that. And then I gotta give a few more channels a shout out. I do Ed Goslin Farms. How you say it? Anyways, it's Goslin Farms. Yeah, Goslin Farm, that's it, I think. Alright, sorry Ed, but he's a nice viewer, and he's got a nice channel, so you probably watch that, look for that one. And then Greasy Paws Garage, you gotta watch that channel too. That's a nice channel. And then Murphy Law, he watches all my videos, and thank you for watching my videos, Murphy. And then he also has a channel. And then trying to think, I know there's one more. I think there's got to be one more person that watches. Dang it, I'm trying to think. Anyways, let me think. Hold on. Let me think here I gotta stop the camera. Ryan McLean, that's it. It's Ryan McLean, the Gen Z Dairyman, or Dairyman. I think that's it. I'll put his link in the description. He watches my videos too, and thank you for watching them. Well, actually, thank you for all my viewers and all my commenters. Well, I wouldn't be making YouTube videos without them because, well, I'd have no use in making YouTube videos. But thank you all for watching them, and well, I think in the next video here soon might be a parts truck or something, or maybe snowmobile ride along. But anyways, see you guys later. Wait. Nah, what am I doing? Whatever. Sorry. Okay, I forgot I had the camera recording. All right, now time to see you guys later.